Audio test. There we go. All right. We are live. Move this over there. Here we go. Get Unity up. Okay. Still a learning experience. All right, let's get going. I need to do some work today. Sure, it has correct engine. Hmm. Pop out chat. There we go. Test. It works. First time. Hopefully it's not capturing my desktop audio, because that's that's copyright music. It's working. It's working. All right, what was I doing? I was making sure it has the right engine. Yeah. No, it doesn't. Wait. Tutorial 3 engine setup. Tutorial engine 2. No, that's not right. Tutorial engine 3. We need a tutorial engine 4 then. What was I thinking? No. No. Tutorial engine 2 needs to be Gungeon. Save. Tutorial engine 3 is also Gungeon. What? Maybe I messed it up. Oh no, I haven't, because this one is Gungeon 2. No, Gungeon 2. Right? Forgive me. I just joined the project recently. I don't know everything. All right, now we have the lower defense ability. You want audio? Is that would that be I think I'm just gonna enable audio for the game. Just a little bit. All right, now you have full set. You draw 3 cards. You refuel until you have enough to upgrade. You upgrade. And you get the ability unlocked. When you do that, I need to isolate that and show it. The player's like, ooh, what's that? And you lower defense. Wait, I did it 3 times, didn't I? How much defense did it have? It had 3. Why didn't I? Lower all of its defense. A bug? I made a bug? Ability. Lower defense, right? Lower defense. Right? Lower defense. When I spammed it, it didn't that's concerning. I think I've introduced a minor bug. If I spam it, like... Now it's 0. I need to do that again. Actually, I'm gonna disable the audio because I get tired of hearing the same thing over and over again. Can I just disable the music? Refuel. Okay. Um, all right, let me look at my tasks. Rule number 3. Let's see. You can't see this, by the way, but I have reference screenshots. One, activate after equipping all. I get 3 coal cards. Using all cards. Oh, it's the wrong enemy. The wrong enemy. Yeah, like oh, and you start level 1 Gungeon. You start with the ability. Right now it's just 0. The Gungeon max ability uses is 3. Gungeon 2. Roll engine 2. I set it to 0. Like why don't I just set it to Gungeon? I don't really need the tutorial engine. Right, but I need to disable the ability button though, temporarily. I want them to use the cards first. All right, let's at least let's make it the correct enemy. So hierarchy, enemy settings. Should it be a normal swatter? Check. Enemy editor. So is 6. So should be 7. Power should be 5. No, XO should be 10. Power 5 and 7. Ability should have an ability? No, it shouldn't have any abilities. None. Same with tutorial 2. It shouldn't have. Right? Now it's more correct. It doesn't really matter the order in which we do things in the tutorial, but really want to like introduce one thing at a time. You see, I used the ability now. Um, oh, if I refuel now, then I'll waste that fuel. Armor break. Oh, I need to make it targetable. Hold on. The tutorial targeting. That's for all cards. Yeah. If I set it to both in the beginning, I can use equipment cards on the enemy. And I don't want that. Well, in the actual game, you can do that, but I don't want it in the tutorial. Like, hey, let's put some equipment on the enemy. Hey, what's gonna happen? I'm just curious. Ah, yeah, it's gonna remove it, and then all right, all right, all right. Let's fire up the AI. But first, I'm gonna commit this. Pending changes. Again. All right, so after the tutorial starts with targeting player only, but after playing after getting the full set bonus, I want it to switch to enemy. Let's see. Code base not indexed. Oh no. Handshake failed. Oh no. Please don't say you're broken. You're a professional Python developer. No, 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 no. As in your reasoning. Gather do your best. Man, AI, am I right? Broken. Restart to update. There's an update. Maybe I should do that. Oh. Make any sense? Um, show set bonus activation. If mech data bonus ability active and complete set shown. Mech data bonus activity active. Reject all. No. Use mech data. Mech data while not bonus ability active. Hero set complete. That's the one. No? Big data, equipped cards. Slots 5. If equipped cards is 5, then all right, I'm just going to assume that if equipped cards length is it found all right, test this out. What? Full set achieved? No. Let's use hero set complete then. I don't like that I have to wait until I can play. Wait for the animation until I can play the next card. I don't know if we have a system for queuing actions. That would be nice. Full set achieved. All right, cool. And now, if I refuel, then it switches to the enemy. Like boom, broken armor. Let me check the reference. After upgrading, boom. Times. But what does the armor break do then? Yeah, I think I'm gonna skip the armor break. Because you get when you upgrade the engine, you get 6 lower defense. So confused. Oh, hey, Merc, can you have something of the Mechjestic soundtrack in the background on? Yeah, I can. Do we have you have something on Drive, Google Drive, or should I just play it from Unity? It would be cool if I can play like this ambient thing I'm listening to. I can just re-enable the audio. Probably copyrighted stuff? I don't know. YouTube is kind of weird when it comes to copyrighted content. I don't know. I don't know. Like I'm gonna send them. I'm gonna send an email to the artist I'm listening to, the Futurescapes guy. Ask if I can if I can use his music in the background, because then I can just have my audio on. Are you in this live? Is this real life? Maybe you can help me solve this problem. Like, I refuel to upgrade the engine, right? and you're supposed to like lower its defense to 0. But what's the point of the armor break if you have -6? Like, now it's, well, what? Yeah, there's a bug. There's a bug. I need to fix that. Like it didn't lower it. Engine attack. Now I can only target myself. Yeah, but I mean, like for the tutorial itself, like why are we showing? Like, sorry. Let me go through the images. I share window capture. Oh, I closed cursor. Let me screen capture. Just close. Back in half an hour? Okay. All right. Let me see if I can trigger that bug and then I can debug it. Upgrade, and then I just spam it like. Now it's at 2, and then I get a warning that waiting a long time to finish. Engine attack 121. All turned idle. Okay. I'm gonna have to enter debugging mode for a moment here. I think I broke something and I need to fix it. But where did I break it? The effects sequence? No. Uh, that's what I get. Oh, in the player object. Okay. All right. I'm going to temporarily revert this. Can I do that? Can I do that? Open. Open. Player object. Three. Revert to this revision. Continue. Yes. Right? Now let's see what happens if I just spam it. Dungeon active effect change cost change in defense 2 to 1, right? And then will change 3 to 2. Okay, so it's actually not updating the visuals. I'm spamming it. I want to know. Dutch Daddy, are you in chat? Just want to know if that's a known bug or if I've introduced something. I can probably I check that real quick. No, I'll ask Merc later. I don't know if I've done that or if it's actually in the game right now. All right, never mind. That's for later. Why can I? But I have full set. Starting, wait for player to get that, right? Fine. Fine. Debugging then. Hmm. But it has the hero set. It is complete. But it defaults. What? And why now? But here it's set to true. Oh, because I'm storing a copy. Because it's a struct? No? Mech data is a struct. No? I'm so confused. Because it changes? Oh. I'm so confused. Okay, let's do this instead then. Well, let's just do break the law of what is it called? Law of the meter. When you're jumping, like when you're referencing things. I don't know. Fine. Fine. You want to do it that way. The code is trolling me. There we go. Full set achieved. Okay, cool. 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 And now I can target the enemy. Why? This. Hmm. Yeah, I have to ask Merc about this. And there's some order of execution issues here. Probably have them join voice chat as well. I share my screen. Plus browser? Can I do that? No, that's not it. No, that's not it. Display capture. This one, yeah. So it's like draw 5. Draw 5, you get 1 from the engine, like +1 every turn. You draw the armor break. You use all the cards, and you get full armor set that makes you draw 3 cards. Wait, and this one shows power gears. Wait, is it supposed to be power gears or armor break? You upgrade, you get and you take away 9 health. In turn, random force diminishing strike. Yeah.
I cannot see a screen. Can you hear me?
Yo, hey.
Is this actually hearable on the live stream? We actually don't know.
Yes. I'm desktop audio on.
Oh yeah, I can actually hear it, but it's so delayed. Let me open the stream.
Yeah, I think it's you should turn off the stream audio if you want to stay in here, or else you're gonna confuse yourself.
Oh, well, I actually don't mind. Oh, but you now will hear a baby in it.
Baby in the background. Yeah, so I'm having some issues with the logistics.
Yeah, I think that's the reason why I got in, because I saw you struggle, because my boy was watching you, which was actually really fun. But then I noticed that you saw in the images that there were indeed cars that are not correct, and that's actually correct, because I think I made a mistake. Because the power gears should still, I think, be the armor break.
Okay, so instead of armor break, it's power gears?
I think so, but we have to check if that's still correct with the fuel.
No, I think that makes sense, because the enemy starts with 7 defense, and you upgrade the engine, and you get 6 abilities, 6 charges, and you lower it to 1 defense, and then you attack, right?
Okay. I had to get out to get lunch.
Food for thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I have 10 10 attack. It has 7 defense, and I'm supposed to refuel twice, I guess. And then
everything is okay.
And
it's
then,
more like you get enough to refuel.
Yeah. Upgrade, and then there's a bug that I need to know if this bug is in the demo version. Sorry, the one the testers have, and that is if you just spam the ability. The like behind the scenes it works. The armor is lowered. If I just spam it, like click, and it stays at 2, but it's actually 1.
Let me see.
So visually, the visuals, like the numbers shows too. If I just spam it, if I just, you know,
But you had 6 shots or 5 shots?
I had 6 shots.
Oh, that's weird.
That I have 6 shots, or
Well, mm, it, it should be 6 then. Now it's just 5. So that's a bug.
no? It's okay. I can see here in my log that it's like ancient defense 3-2 and then 2-1. You know, but I think
So
since
it
I'm
has now
spamming it,
1 defense.
since I'm spamming it, there's some order of execution thing in the code for the visuals that it's not.
This
It's
is maybe caused by the stat that's being changed after it sort of gets to the point.
That's what I thought. So I reverted the code where I did that, um, and it still did that. But I wanna know if I wanna know for sure if it's me that I've introduced some kind of visual bug, or if this is in the game, like before I
No,
joined the
this is
team.
unique at the moment.
Huh?
This is unique, as in this is new.
All right. Well, then I've introduced
Because
something.
even though the visual effects of the turret sometimes had a little bit glitchy, like one of the bullets, for example, wasn't visible. That was something, of course, that's not good, but we know about. But stats not showing correctly, I don't think that was that is new.
Okay. Well, then good news. I've messed up somewhere, and then I can just
Ah,
go back in the history of the changes and see and find it. But I'm gonna do
okay.
that later.
It could be the whole what I said, like the implementation that stats are changed after.
Yeah,
I don't know.
it has something to do with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you do it again for me? Just shoot 6 bullets. I know you have to restart, but yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
I'm just going to truly focus on the amount of ones that actually go toward the enemy.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm just gonna spam click it.
Yeah, I'm just going to watch and see.
Six projectiles did shoot,
Okay.
but the stat seems to like update every other.
Yeah. Okay. So it does do 6, but it just doesn't drop below 2 for some reason.
But if I do it slowly, it works.
Yeah. So there's something going on
Warning
with the order of things.
warnings here as well.
Oh, waiting a long time for sequence to finish.
Yeah.
Something is going wrong with that, maybe.
Yeah, I need to get into that. But again, I'll fix it.
Yeah.
No worries about that. But yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So the armor break. Okay, so instead of
Yeah.
that, it's what was
Yeah,
it?
and therefore, I just want you to know, in tutorial 1 and 2, we don't see the ability bars because this will be the first time that you'll actually see abilities come up.
Yep. Yeah, I removed the ability for the second enemy, like the healing one in tutorial 2.
That's good. Yeah.
Wait, which one was it? Uh,
What was you looking for?
Power gears. Okay, power gears.
Our gears is up, and because it's super weird how the array is working. Oh, just a second.
Power Gears found it. Okay.
Yeah. Because you see, the airship strike until weapon break, so it's the first 12 or something like that. Those are the instant cards, and afterwards you get the equipment cards. So it's a little
Oh.
strange, but the logic is there.
Okay. Uh,
Maybe we can change it later because I like alphabetical.
yeah, I'll probably make like subcategories. That would be much better.
Mm-hmm.
Where you're like, it's like a fold-out menu.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah, instead of like scrolling through all these.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you cannot even scroll. You have to click the button.
Oh, really? Huh. I can scroll.
Oh.
Or maybe it's because I'm on the latest Unity 2022 version on my branch.
Mm.
I just didn't want you to have to upgrade
Okay. Yeah.
until you have to. So I'm just pulling in your changes from the other branch. Yeah. Yeah, and then the power core, you're supposed to use it on yourself. Right?
Yeah, well, that's what I meant. Like, I'm not sure if I still have the power gear. I have to check my own notes to see if that's actually.
If I do it slowly, one. Yeah. I think there's.
You know where I think things go wrong?
Yeah.
It's the fact that the turret shows like this animation stops now, and if that goes too quick by the fact that the bullet was still flying, so the action is cancelled of shooting the turret. Maybe that sort of intervenes with the whole stat system. Like
Hmm.
you're shooting, and then the sixth bullet will automatically cancel the turret mode because you're done. You don't have any ammo left. But maybe due to that new system, it thinks that the last one is not being counted for visually. I don't know. Maybe. The thing out loud.
I appreciate thinking out loud. Makes my
Yay.
I think I honestly I think I just have to revert my code and then see when it starts working again. And
Yeah,
then
and
isolate it. It's like a common thing.
as long as it's not too much, because I'd rather have it see if we can fix it than have you to redo all of it.
No, it's not. It's okay. So it's like looking back in history and like creating timelines, but you can always go back to where you are right now.
Oh,
It's I don't since I think you and Bo are working directly with the source control inside Unity, right? You're like checking
yeah.
files and
We
then
use the
committing.
plastic. Yeah.
Yeah, have you used the actual standalone tool, plastic the plastics
Oh,
program?
oh, we have to use it sometimes when the the project is fucked. So we have to re-import and everything.
Yeah. Right, yeah. Well, yeah. For
But
us
other than that, no.
programmers, we see branches and timelines and points in time, and we can jump back and forth and merge timelines, and it's the whole thing. Time travel, not even once. All right, so then again, I don't see the point of the powered gear either.
No, the power gear should not be there. It should be armor break.
Let me restart
Because
my.
I think, let me see. Then you do the damage, and then the ability should come up, I guess, right? Am I? I'm also confused by my own reasoning because I had to change it multiple times.
Okay, let me
Maybe that's
suggest
the
something.
armor break?
Or let me walk through the tutorial as I think it should be in the beginning, and where it collides, right? So first you get like since you have the engine ability to draw one card, that card, I don't really care about that card right now. What I care
that's
about
true.
is the 5 equipment cards, and then you get the full equipment set.
Yep.
Right? And then you draw 3 cards. You draw 3 coals, and you refuel. And here it's like, yeah, you draw 3 cards, 3 coals, but you only have to refuel 2 of them to get enough to upgrade. The third one
It's just that you.
is the third one important? Is the third one used for something, or is it just?
Oh, go to the next image. I think then you'll see.
Oh, I'm still sharing my
No, the
screen.
Next, yeah.
Okay.
So then no further. So 11, 12, 13. Because I need to check. Like further, or is there nothing else after this? Yes, okay, then we hit, we do a lot of damage. It still has 1 HP. Yeah, you see? This is what will happen. It gains 2. Oh, actually, no. Oh, yeah, and then we get our own.
Is it diminishing strike that lowers my power, right?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
So right. you will show, and again, I use random force. We can ditch the random force in this one. But I just had it there because the image I had I didn't want to do that.
Yep.
Yeah, just have it only be the diminishing strike.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it has to do a little bit of damage, does it now?
6.
Well, yeah, then we get our own ability being activated.
Yeah.
To start the bar from our side afterwards. So go to 17, I think.
Yeah, Frolum's Might. Yeah, sorry, it's delayed. Yeah.
And then you'll see, yeah, there you go. And then you get your own ability bar.
Yeah, and then the ability, yeah. Need to make the visuals for that. To like I said, separate the stats bars for the ability bar.
We can ask Bo if he.
Yeah.
Because he made the image. So if that needs to be separated, it needs to be separated.
It would be really cool, but maybe not at once to have like a gear that rotates to like fold out the ability bar. Like,
sure.
And then attack, yeah. 8.
Yeah, and then you have enough because the when you put the ability on, it gives you plus 2 power each turn, and now you have enough because it's just one more. So basically, now I think about it, the whole cards that you're getting are not useful at all. The only thing is maybe useful is armor break. I'm not sure if that actually is being counted for by doing the damage, or maybe it was power gears at the start. I'm not even sure. I'm going to look at my own things again. Let me check as well.
Because now you have 8, and the enemy has 7 defense and 1 health.
Yeah, no, that's the end. This is the thing I want to end with. So that's good.
Yeah, I don't think you need armor break then.
I'm actually going to look. So 1, we have 5, and so then I get my 5. So that means blah 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 blah. Why does it go to 10? Oh yeah, that's of course all my armor gives me 10. Okay, so 10 is enough to then draw 3, then upgrade to get 6 shots. Yeah, we don't need the other cards. So what you're just saying, like just give them the 5 cards and nothing more. No power gears, no armor break. We don't need that.
Maybe just give them a coal, you know?
No, but even that is not needed. Like for the first turn, we don't need it because I want them to actually equip all the hero equipments. So
Okay.
that when the set is full, you get the bonus and then draw 3 cards, use those, and then the next turn when you actually get attacked, you'll get immediately the Frontman's Might, which is a card that costs 3, which you will have enough on because you have all the cold stacks.
All right. Okay. So
Is that actually enough?
yeah, it makes sense in my mind.
Yeah, but I don't. Yeah, we can still fuck up.
No, I'll just
Yeah, you can.
I'll do things manually. I'll enable things and disable things.
I just want to know, is engine level 2 actually giving me 2? Yeah, I think it gives 2 fuel, not 2 draw. No worries.
Yeah, that was why I was wondering if I should do like in tutorial 1 and 2 where I just disable the card draw, the every turn you draw a card, and I'll like draw.
No, in tutorial 2, going to be it's tutorial 2 is the one that explains the engine, so it has to be there.
Yeah, but
Explaining the
yes, but like in the like tutorial 3, like we said now, you only draw 5 cards, not the +1.
Yeah, that's
so should I then like have a custom tutorial engine for not the Gungeon, for tutorial 3 where we don't draw. It's like Gungeon Star where you don't draw one at the beginning.
I get what you mean. Yeah, or indeed what you mentioned, just give them a call.
Yeah, just give them a call. You've been a bad.
It doesn't matter if you have
Santa gives you coal.
It really doesn't matter.
Yeah. All right, let's give them coal.
Yeah, because even when they go ahead and do stuff, they still are able to manage to do the things we want them to do. So yeah, just give them a stack.
Give them coal
From there,
for Christmas. Hey, hello Lenovo in chat. Hello. Welcome to the.
Oh, I actually have not checked the chat at all. Oh yeah.
Let's see. Power Gears. More coal.
I have to see if I can keep this up by because I already lost my focus insanely. But maybe I can regain some of it.
For work, animating?
Because now I was out with my family to get some food. And then I came back and I saw your stream. I was like, hey, let me check. But then now I'm distracted by your stream.
I apologize, but not really.
No worries. That's good. There's quite a delay indeed for what we are talking about and then seeing the stream.
Yeah, there's a setting on the live stream thing that I can
it's 7 seconds, I think.
Yeah, I can change it to ultra low delay. Then it's like instant.
Yeah, will that impact anything? Like your performance and stuff like that?
I think so. It affects like the stream performance, but I don't know how to get to that panel.
Yeah.
Next time.
It's just a fun stream, but I just wanted to let you know.
Yeah. Okay, so now you get a coal. Okay, so I disabled the refueling of the equipment sets.
Yeah, that's good.
But I need to manually enable it for the coal stack again. Draw cards. Oh, oh, no? Equip. There we go.
Oh, he's so cute. He's right there with me. He's playing with his alphabet stuff.
Gotta learn programming early.
Yeah, well, he actually does. Yeah, like the only thing that he's missing at the moment is just to talk. So he has some trouble with that, but he's freakingly smart.
Okay.
Oh yeah, if it's just a speech, I can wait a bit.
Cool.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's the wrong button. Oh, and I pressed the wrong button again. Okay, almost.
Have my cat.
Ooh, I think I almost have it actually. I'm trying something cool, in my opinion. I'm doing a wavy antenna motion. Okay, I have to be even more. Like this, maybe.
Now. Like the card type of the equipment cards, they weren't card type equip, they were card type hero.
Yeah, they are.
What's equip then?
Because a hero card can either be an equipment or an instant card.
Okay.
They have more. Yeah. Again, the heroes are, completely dumbed at the moment, as in dumbed down. But it should still be the case. Oh, no, this is not correct. This one actually needs to be switched. That's it. This is where. Responded. do that. Oh,
What are you checking if you played a bit? I don't know what you mean.
what?
Nah, it's Lenovo on chat.
What are you checking? Oh, yeah. I think mostly just to see if nothing breaks. Mm. Oh, I think I have it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Then this one needs to be just one. It's a bit like this.
Sometimes you play a bit of game code stuff and get back on the game. As someone who can't see the difference, it's looking a bit weird. Yeah, I'm designing the tutorial, and this is not part of the main game. This is tutorial, so I need to like there's specific parts that I need to like make sure work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enemy data defense is okay. This. I think I'm gonna lower. I'm gonna turn off the audio because I'm getting a little crazy.
I'm not hearing any audio.
Oh, from the game?
No music, at least.
Okay.
Oh, this is so hard. Why is it so hard? I'm gonna try something.
Doesn't really matter when I upgrade the engine now.
It should matter at least, the upgrade. Because we need the third shot. And to let them know how that works.
Yeah.
Okay, then this goes off, this goes.
Oh. Then
Hmm. It does work.
Hmm.
But
Can't find diminishing strike.
oh, that's new.
Oh, okay.
As in, I didn't create it yet in Unity. But eventually it needs to be there.
Eventually. Mm.
I hate this. Just doesn't work. Why is the curvature off? Why is it off? What happened here? Oh? Oh. Strange. Uh,
Oh.
oh. I think maybe it's this one.
You're realizing a lot of things. Confusing me and the viewers.
I can imagine. Because you cannot see my stuff.
No.
That's why I was saying, like, I'm not sure if I should stay.
It's I don't know, you can mute your microphone in the meantime, like you can stay.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Um, oh. Oh, sorry.
I need to add it. Login tutorial to make it so when you after you attack the intern is enabled. Enable intern button. after you get the full equipment set, then enable the upgrade button. Then you're actually the tutorial the biggest part of program at the moment. At the moment, yeah, this is like uh, the most important thing at the moment, that we have a solid, clear tutorial to get people into the game. Uh, uh, the game is kind of has a lot of moving parts, a lot of stuff to learn, so it needs to be done properly by step. And tutorials are notoriously hard to create. Like how the game is animated. Yeah, Merc is very good at animating things, combined with the art of Bo. Pretty powerful combination. like it's previewing that this will activate, will add to the ability bar. And when I activate it, like it's still previewing. Merc, I think I need you for it. You're here? Mike is Mike is muted. Oh, hold on. There we go. I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
I was saying like I was talking to my wife. So.
There's a bug, and I'm wondering if it's me again.
Okay, let me check.
If you look back a little bit on the stream, I think it's like Frolim Smite, when you hover over the card, it previews the ability slot, right? Like a preview, like fades in and out.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But when I activate it, it's still previewing endlessly.
Oh yes. Oh, I have no idea. That has been a thing.
Okay. Then I'll write that down.
And even though we thought we fixed it, apparently it's back.
Apparently it's back. Maybe, like again, maybe it's me.
No, this is not you.
Okay.
This is oh, you mean like with the code changes?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe.
Ability.
Well, yeah, that's annoying indeed.
Okay. Not important.
Yeah. It's annoying that these stupid things can still happen, even though we thought we fixed them.
I'll increase their audio. Lenovo. Sorry. Yeah, so yeah, what's missing now is I need that enemy ability.
Oh yeah, that's I can easily create that. I hope. Okay, I'll deal with this later. It's so hard to do. Okay, ability. Let's see how much it actually did. I think it was just one. Design. All card effect. Nope. All card descriptions. Okay, that's also not the right. Oh yeah, it is. Could be. Huh? Where could it? All engines. All card. Ah, there. Full card list. Oh, yeah. Power -1. Okay. Let me see. Hmm? Strike 1. Names. Okay. Save. And then we go to this one, which we call diminishing. Like 1. Mm, 1. Copy effect. User after. Oh. Power 1. I think I have it now. Update. Diminishing strike. Save. Let me test it on an enemy. Save, yes. Let's just give this ability to the easy enemy. Was it this one? Ah, that's annoying. Just a sec. I'll make this a shorter. Let's try. Okay, let's see what it shows. Okay, it still doesn't, so let me see why it doesn't. Enemy for easy. Oh, I think I actually gave it the wrong one. That's okay. Okay, now I should have it. Diminishing strike. Let me try. Diminishing strike. 1. Defending target will suffer power -1 after attacking. Okay, let's end. Boom. Okay, didn't work. That's something I did wrong. What did I miss? Mm. I think it's this one. There's infinite and infinite Mac data. Mac data after attacking. Huh. That should not be right. Oh, I do see one more thing that I did wrong. Diminishing should be no delay. Maybe that's it. I'm trying to fix it. I'll get there. Okay. Hmm? Okay, now I at least got it working. So let's see if it does it 5 times. 3. And then 4. And the last time. Oh, okay, and now it's at 0. Let me see if I have anything to boost my attack. Just to see if it actually does. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it works. I'll upload it. Nope, I don't need the enemies. I just need this effect. Okay. Tron, I'm uploading it right now.
All right.
It's ready to use. There you go. You got it.
Got it. Okay. Let's see. Fresh.
This is working?
What do you mean? Pulling right now.
Oh, I see a lot of questions, by the way. Or did you already
It's just
answer?
I've been filming the cat while you've been working.
Ah, shit.
Cat wants something.
Oh.
I need to go let it outside, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
Mhm.
Butter. The what was it called again?
Diminishing strike.
Wait list.
Yeah.
There we go.
It's of course an ability.
Yeah. Save.
And it only does it 5 times, so that's also already fixed. So basically the whole ability is in.
Yep.
That's so by the way, that's actually a good example of what I mean. If the editor is working, everything is working. So yeah, that just shows how quick we can have that working.
Yeah, tools are important for a good flow. I mean, like good pipeline.
Oh yes, man, I love tools for as a designer. That's just magic to me.
Great. -1.
Yeah. Or did I do a -2 on this one? I don't think so, right?
No, it's -1.
Okay.
But on the screenshot, it says -4, doesn't it?
Wait, did I? Well, that's easy to fix, but as in not fix, I can actually make it, so no worries.
Diminishing strike 4.
Oh my God, was it 4? Sorry. Well, I can. Now it's even easier. So I can just do ability, go to diminishing strike, copy it, and call it 4, make the value 4, and there it is. That easy. Save. And now it should have it. I'll call it 4. That's maybe very good to see. Save. Okay. I'll upload it. So we have the right one and the tutorial one because a Diminishing Strike 4 is insanely hard or hard to deal with. So it's on the on the ether. But again, I do notice now one thing that maybe we will be able to change later in the future, if possible. Because now I actually had to make an entry called Diminishing Strike 4. But maybe in the future we can just say, what do you want to give this enemy? Diminishing Strike. What value? 4. And then, you know what I mean?
All right, yeah. Like
Instead of making a new effect called Diminishing Strike 4, I actually just have one Diminishing Strike and just say the amount. But that's for later.
different levels.
Yeah, exactly. It makes it a little easier, I think, to yeah. I don't know. For me, it's easier.
For you, it is, yeah. For me, it's work.
It's probably more work. Oh.
Victory!
Oop, whee.
Got through the tutorial.
Wow, crazy. This man is a menace.
Menace.
Oh.
Disruption. Okay, I guess what's left is polish and enabling the upgrade button after you get the equipment set.
Yeah, that's Did we have the hero time be disabled, by the way, by this hero set?
It's enabled now. Should I
Because
disable
they
it?
can actually press it and then they will heal. I'm
Yeah,
not sure if that's necessary.
they'll get 10 HP.
Because it's not tutorializing anything at the moment.
No, I
Oh, that's something I wanted to do, remember? I had to create the tutorial versions of these. So we don't have to deal with that. Because I want the originals to be intact. And we could just make equipment versions of those and just call him indeed the what did we do? How do we call the other one?
simple.
Simple, yeah. So I can do that.
Cool. Like take away the attack every turn.
You know
every
what?
turn.
I'm gonna do it now.
No, sorry, the minus health after attacking.
I can take that away. Yeah.
Yep.
This one we can start with this. We call it simple. Copy card. Make it an equip. Set ID. I'll call it simple. I don't mind. We don't have to. Oh, we actually have to. That's kinda too bad. Simple right leg. This one will be called simple. There we go. This will become equip. We're going to call this simple.
Swing.
Hmm?
No, Lunova is stressed out by the pendulum swing under you win. The clock. Well, too bad, Lunova.
Do I want to go all out? Make it complete. You know what? I'm gonna make it complete. I'm gonna make even new effects as well. Effect. One. Save. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am giving you a set that is a little lower in defense and power. So we just have to lower the enemy's defense, which is fine. How much defense has the enemy now?
7.
Can you make it 4? Oh, then we're going to be having trouble with the. Oh no! What? You know what? Let's just give it. How many HP does it have?
10.
Yeah, make it 7. Or if you want, if you are able to do it.
I am, but the turtle works great right now.
Yeah, I know, but I just want to give them at least the same set, but the simple version should have simple stats: power +1, power +2. Because if we give them the same set, but without the HP buff, they want to have the tutorial set.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason why I'm doing this. That's okay. It's simple. It's just giving it 3 HP less because you're getting 3 power +1s. So that's it.
Did you ask if what the HP of the player was or the enemy?
Enemy.
Enemy. Yeah, enemy has 7.
Yeah, that's good.
Starting to run out of mental energy.
That's good. Yeah. No worries.
It's Friday,
It will be.
and it's
It is.
clear blue sky outside. I'm gonna go get an ice cream.
Ice cream.
We're gonna get an ice cream and scream.
Oh, look at that. Simple.
Yeah, I think I found the issue with the update text thing.
That's good. If I make the torso a cost of 2, will it actually be able to still be equipped?
Cost 2. Yeah, I can make a start fuel +1.
No, but is it actually? Yeah, was it possible before, or because we are giving them in cold stack, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay, then it's possible. Because who knows, we can even have these simple sets be available for people if they really like to, even though it's not really great. But I want to be at least able to have it ready. Then I mean, it's easier for me to do it like this. Oh, I actually don't have to do this. Ah, shit, never mind. I accidentally made a new effect, which we don't need. Never mind. Okay, that's working. Save. And we need the new one, which is the arm.
My brain is short-circuiting right now.
Oh.
So I think I'm gonna go in like 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah, no worries. That's not good.
Well, I haven't had a break or a lunch break, so.
Yeah, I would say go for it. I'm actually then going offline as well to just focus.
Yeah. But is there anything? we should do to like wrap up the. Anything you need from me?
At the moment, not really. I think you should just try to continue and see what you can sort of tweak. I'll give you the simple sets. So if you do have the simple set implemented, let me know if everything is going all right. We can always look at it to make I don't know, to
Yeah,
make it work if it's not.
I think I might be able to do that after I take a.
Yeah, yeah.
I
That's
don't.
all right, mate.
I don't think I'll stream though, but I'll hang out in Discord.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, then I would say just enjoy, and we'll talk later.
Yeah.
All right. Thank
Ending
you
the
so
stream.
much.
Let's end the stream. Thank you all for watching. Those who
Yeah,
are
thank
in
you so
chat,
much.
and if you're watching this on YouTube, then I'm gonna be doing these live streams, coding streams, just casually throughout the week. And yeah, feel free to drop by and
Yep.
give a thumbs up and all that nonsense.